If Pixlr is showing a connection error, freezing, or refusing to load, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing as quickly as possible. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for Pixlr connection issues, and we're going to start with the quickest reset methods first, then move into browser cleanup, network fixes, and file checks if the problem happens during upload. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's fix it. First, let's do an instant refresh. If you already have Pixlr open in your browser, click on that tab and perform a hard reload. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces the browser to reload Pixlr completely instead of using older stored data. A normal refresh sometimes keeps the same broken files in memory, so a hard refresh is one of the simplest ways to clear out temporary loading problems. If Pixlr is still not connecting, the next thing to try is Incognito or private mode. Open a new Incognito window in Chrome or a private window in Edge or Firefox, then visit Pixlr again. If Pixlr loads properly in private mode, that usually means the issue is coming from your browser extensions, your cached browser data, or both. Ad blockers are a common cause, as well as privacy extensions or anything that interferes with scripts and site connections. If it works in Incognito, you can then go back and disable extensions one by one in your normal browser until you find the one causing the problem. Now let's move on to browser cleanup, because bad cache and cookies are one of the most common reasons Pixlr displays connection errors. Open your browser settings and look for the clear browsing data option. In most browsers, you can find this under privacy, history, or security settings. When the window opens, make sure you select cached images and files and cookies. For the time range, choose all time so you fully clear out old data. Then click clear data and let the browser finish the process. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying Pixlr again. This gives you a clean session and often fixes load-in issues immediately. If the browser is still giving you trouble, make sure it's fully updated. An outdated version of Chrome, Edge, or Firefox can cause websites like Pixlr to break or load incorrectly. Go into your browser's menu and check for updates. If there is an update available, install it and restart the browser. It may seem simple, but outdated browser versions are a very common cause of editor connection failures and interface glitches. Next, let's check your network connection itself. Sometimes the browser is fine, but your system's DNS cache is causing a routing issue to Pixlr servers. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator. To do that, search for CMD in the Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Then type the command ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and refreshes your network route information. After the command completes, restart your browser and test Pixlr again. This fix is especially helpful if Pixlr keeps timing out or refusing to connect even though other websites work normally. If Pixlr opens but feels slow, freezes, or lags heavily, the issue may be related to hardware acceleration. Open your browser settings, go to System, and look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Toggle it off if it's on, or turn it on if it's already off, then restart the browser. Some systems work better with acceleration enabled, while others are more stable with it disabled. If Pixlr is crashing or stuttering, this setting can make a big difference. Now, if your problem is not the main editor connection but file uploads, then the issue may be with the image format itself. Pixlr supports common file types like JPG, PNG, and WEBP. If you are trying to upload a file in an unusual or unsupported format, it may fail to connect properly to the upload process. Also, make sure the file is not corrupted. A quick way to test that is to open the image on your desktop first. If it does not open locally, the file may be damaged and need to be replaced or converted before uploading it into Pixlr. At this point, if none of these steps worked, the problem may be on Pixlr's server side rather than on your device. In that case, the best thing to do is wait a little while and try again later, or test the site from another device or another network to confirm whether it is a temporary outage. So to quickly recap, start with a hard refresh, test incognito mode, clear your cache and cookies, update your browser, flush DNS, adjust hardware acceleration, and finally check your file format if the issue is upload related. One of those steps usually fixes most Pixlr connection errors. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.